Hey, good evening, everybody. I realized last time when I was seeing my live that there is a considerable amount of lag from what I am speaking and what someone else is hearing. And yeah, basically, I've told you guys something, and you guys have responded almost a minute later. And I realized that's because there's an actual latency issue on Instagram. And good evening, everybody. I'm super excited to actually bring you the improv session again today. இந்த செஷன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்லையும் பேசுவோம், கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷ்லையும் பேசுவோம். அதனால இங்கிலீஷ் பேசினா தமிழ் பேசுறவங்க கோச்சிக்காதீங்க, தமிழ் பேசினா இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுறவங்க உடனே கோச்சிக்காதீங்க. Hi guys, Amreen, hi Kamil and Vignesh, welcome. Someone said Krushy. Who is this person? Let me check. Rabe Anthony, hi. Fazil, Pavitra, all you guys, hi. I'm really thanks for dropping in. As much as I also realized like we have a lot of new people joining the improv every single time, so I'm going to explain why we do the improv and what improv is all about. Improvன்றது வந்து ஸ்கிரிப்டே இல்லாம, without any script, that is, we create something on the spot using your inputs. So கையில வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கிரிப்ட் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் எதுவுமே இல்லாம நீங்க கொடுக்குற இன்புட்டை வச்சு நாங்க ஒரு புதுசா ஒரு ஸ்கிரிப்டை வந்து டெவலப் பண்ண போறோம் on the spot for you. அதுதான் improv. The idea behind this is obviously inspired by the lockdown. ஒரு 10 நாள் இப்படி உட்காரும் போது எனக்கு வந்து மண்டை கொஞ்சம் கலந்துருச்சு. At the same time, I'm also thinking, if I'm feeling this way, a whole bunch of you out there must also be feeling, it's not easy. Lockdown hasn't been easy. ஹிந்தி பேசுங்க ப்ரோ. ஏன் நண்பா, நான் ஹிந்தியில் ஸ்கூலில் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு எல்லா வாட்டியும் நான் பாஸ் ஆகிறதே பெரிய விஷயம் ஹிந்தியில். எதுக்கு தேவையில்ல நம்ம ஹிந்திலாம் பேச வச்சு. Anyway, so point I'm trying to make is, one second, yeah. What I'm trying to make is I understand how you guys feel during the lockdown. It's been crazy. So we decided we're going to put out some really cool content out there. Thanks, Vaishu. Thanks for showing up out here and ragging me. But I would really require to throw some really cool inputs for us. So, which is why the improv started. We want to engage all of you. We want to make sure that amazing stuff there. And Vishak, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And we also have Kavya is another actor who's been working with me from 2015. She's a phenomenal actor on stage. She's also very, very talented with the ukulele. And we'll have a surprise session with her also. She's going to play some music for you guys. And Aravindan has also been working with us for a while now. He's the youngest of the lot. He's a very gifted, hardworking actor. And that's the introduction for all three amazing people. Thank you guys for dropping in today. All right, so a big hi to every single one of you out there. இப்போ என்ன தேவைன்னு சொல்றேன். Like always, ஒரு வார்த்தை கேட்போம் இல்லையா? We always ask you a word, but what I was so depressed person for the past few years and started reading books. Will it help you to be positive with some stories in the past? Share a few words, buddy. I don't know what you're going through right now, but we can. In this forum, I would suggest you just let go, have some fun, watch it. And obviously, I think we've all read books and books always help. But just enjoy yourself here. I'm really glad you turned up here. So, hi to everybody. And usually you give us a word that we use to improv with, correct? This time what we're going to do is we're going to sell a product. Each one of us are going to land up selling a product. What I want from you guys is give us something to sell. It can be a guitar, it can be a tub, it can be a bucket, it can be some flavored water, it can be a mic, it can be a commode, it can be absolutely anything you want. But give us something to sell, okay? Sujita Sen, will Ananya join today? Illa nanba, innikku illa. Ananya is going to be joining the next week. I think she's going to probably prop in on Sunday or Wednesday. But we're going to be changing actors. We're going to bring a lot of new actors coming in, constantly and going. But you'll definitely see them all, right? Close up toothpaste, I love it. Okay, Nagarjun says condom, lungi, water bottle. Okay, these are all good stuff. Vishak, I'll give you something. Actually, you're dangerous to give this to. Kavya, I'll give you this. Close up toothpaste and condom is there. Okay, so I'll give you close up condom. Go.
Okay. Hi guys and welcome to Telebrands. Today presenting to you your favorite presenter Kavya Ramachandran, and I'm going to be selling you this product called Close-Up Condoms. Now Close-Up Condom is a very versatile product, guys. You can do a lot with it. No, as the name suggests, it is a very it's a product that brings you close to people. Now, how does it bring you close to people? Right now, you would ask me this question, and let me tell you, the close-up condom is something that you need to be using if you have a lot of friends, especially if you are close with these friends and you wish to get closer. Get it? So that's what the name suggests. If you want, see, you have the friend zone, and then you cross that friend zone and you reach the other end, you'll need the close-up condom. Now the close-up condom is comes in various sizes, right? You have small, you have extra small, you have extra small, medium, large. That's about it. But the average size that we usually go for is a small or a medium. But the large is not something that we don't have. I mean, if you order in advance.
What are the special features of this product, Karu?
The special features of this product, right? Now, especially when one of your friends says, I can't use it and it's not working, the close-up condom clamps. Okay, the close-up condom clamps and says, don't lie. Okay, you can always rely on your close-up condom. It's always got your back. It's always got your back. It's your best friend. The other...
Kabu Freeze, does your close-up condom have a jingle? Does it have a tagline that you can sing?
It has a tagline, which I will... Don't be a mundan. Close-up condoms are for everyone. Otherwise, you will become a dum-dum. Close-up condom is for everybody. Close-up condom is for everyone.
Fantastic, well done. Thank you. Okay, we got some really cool words coming in. Kavya, that was awesome. Thank you so much. We have முத்துத்தே நீயே, இது வந்து தமிழும் இல்ல, இங்கிலீஷும் இல்ல, மலையாளமும் இல்ல, தெலுங்கும் இல்ல. நான் வேற ஏதாவது பாக்குறேன். அரவிந்தன், பட்டர் பிஸ்கெட். உனக்கு ரெண்டு கொடுக்குற அரவிந்தன். பட்டர் பிஸ்கெட், பால் பொடி. இதை நீ எப்படியாவது மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி போடலாம். பட்டர் பிஸ்கெட், பால் பொடி. கோ.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா, நம்ம கிட்ட
பால் பொடி இல்ல பல்லு பொடி.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா, நம்ம இப்ப இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல மாட்டி வீட்லயே இருக்கிறோம். சோ நம்மளால எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது. சோ நம்ம வீட்ல நம்ம ஸ்டாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்போம். என்ன ஸ்டாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்போம்? கண்டிப்பா பசிக்கும், நிறைய சீரிஸ் பார்ப்போம், அதனால நிறைய பிஸ்கெட் ஸ்டாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்போம். சோ நம்ம வீட்லயே எப்படி இந்த இருக்கிற பிஸ்கெட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சு ஒரு பட்டர் அது மேல தடவி ஒரு பல்பொடி செய்யறது அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். சோ இந்த பல்பொடி பேர் என்னன்னா பட்டர் பல்பொடி வித் பட்டர் பிஸ்கெட். சோ இது எப்படி பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு பாத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, ஒரு கை நிறைய 4 பிஸ்கெட் எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த கை நிறைய பாதி பட்டர் எடுத்துக்கணும். இதை மிக்சில போட்டு அரைக்கணும் வித் லவ். அப்பதான் அந்த பல்பொடி ஓகே போட்டு நீங்க நல்லா கரகரன்னு அடிச்சீங்கன்னா ஒரு பேஸ்ட் மாதிரி வரும். ஆனா அதை நீங்க மாடியில காய வைக்கணும். ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு பொடி வேணும், பேஸ்ட் வேணாம். ஏன்னா இந்த டைம்ல வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ஜெர்ம்ஸ் எப்படி வேணாலும் வரும். எப்படி சொல்றது, ஒரு ஃப்ளூயிடா இருக்கும் போதுதான் ஜெர்ம்ஸ் வரும். இதுவே ஒரு சாலிடா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த ஜெர்ம்ஸ் வராது. சோ நம்ம அந்த பல்பொடி எடுத்துட்டு போய் மாடியில காய வச்சு எடுத்துட்டு வந்து தேய்ச்சோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், கொஞ்சம் ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் அந்த காய வச்சதுல மண்ணு ஒட்டி இருக்கும், இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. அதுதான் தலையில இருக்க அந்த அடுக்குலாம் கேப்ல இருந்தா எடுக்கும். இந்த பல்பொடிக்கு பேர் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், பட்டர் பல்பொடி மேட் பை சூப்பர்மேன். ஏன்னா சூப்பர்மேன் மாதிரி அந்த சன்ல இருந்து வர கிரிப்டோனியம் ஆஃப் த எனர்ஜி எல்லாம் அதுல போய் பட்டு உங்க பல்லுல அந்த ரேடியம் வந்து உங்க நைட் சப்போஸ் வீட்டுல கரண்ட் போயிடுச்சுன்னா காமிச்சீங்கன்னா போதும், வீடு ஃபுல்லா லைட் எரியும். அந்த விளம்பரம் கூட நீங்க பாத்துருப்பீங்களே, அதே மாதிரிதான் இந்த பல்பொடி யூஸ் பண்ணி அன்னைக்கு நைட் என் வீட்டுல இருந்த கண்ணாடியை காணும். அந்த கண்ணாடியை நான் தேடுறேன். எப்படி தேடுறேன்? போட்டு வாயில நைட் கிடுகிடுன்னு ஓடி போய் பாக்கெட்டே தான் வச்சிருந்தாங்க பல்பொடியை இப்படி எடுத்து இப்படி தொட்டு தேய்ச்சி சொல்றேன் வீடு ஃபுல்லா லைட்டு. என்ன லைட்டு? ஒரு 10 லைட் வீடு மாதிரி. இதனால என்ன பண்ணா நம்ம கரண்ட் சேவ் பண்ணலாம். பிளஸ் அது மட்டும் இல்லாம யார் வீட்லயா ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்துச்சுன்னா ஒரு 4 பேருக்கு இந்த பல்பொடியை தேய்ச்சி விட்டு 4 பேர் நிக்க விட்டா அப்படியே லைட் எரியும். வேற ஒரு ஃபிளேவர்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கோம். என்ன
அரவிந்தன், சோ உங்களோட ஸ்பெஷல் ஃபீச்சர் வந்து இதுல இருந்து லைட் எரியற மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து பல்லா ஷைன் அடிக்கும். அதுதான் ஸ்பெஷல் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ்.
ஆமாங்க.
வெரி. இதுல வந்து காஸ்ட் எவ்வளவு ஆகுதுங்க?
காஸ்ட் ரொம்ப கம்மி தாங்க. ஏன்னா பட்டர் பிஸ்கட் வீட்ல இருந்து எடுக்கிறோம். ஆனா அதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிரிட்டானியா இந்த பேக்கரியில செய்வாங்கல்ல, ஹோம் மேட் பேக்கரியில செய்யற பட்டர் பிஸ்கட் தான் இருக்கணும். அதனால காஸ்ட் ரொம்ப கம்மி தான். காய வைக்கிற டைம் தான் நமக்கு தேவை. எப்ப காய வைக்கணும்? காலையில எழுந்து போகணும். 6 மணில இருந்து 8 மணி வெயில்ல மட்டும் தான் காய வைக்க முடியும்.
அந்த சன்லைட் தான் கரெக்ட்டா செட் ஆகும்.
ஆமா, அதுதான். அப்பதான் அந்த சூரிய நமஸ்கார் ஆஃப் தி கிரிப்டோனியம் எல்லாம் நடக்கும். அது நடக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் அப்படியே கிடைக்கும். அதை எடுத்து தேய்ச்சீங்கன்னா அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த லைட் கிடைக்கும்.
இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பேர் ஏதாவது இருக்கா? பிராண்ட் நேம் ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
இதுக்கு பிராண்ட் நேம் பாத்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, பிளிட்ஸ் கிரீக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன்னா அப்படின்னு ஒரு இது ஜெர்மன் ஒரு மெத்தட், ஜெர்மன் டெக்னாலஜி. ஆமா, அதனால அப்படி பேர் வச்சிருக்காங்க.
வெரி குட். இதுக்கு ஏதாவது பாட்டு இருக்கா? ஜிங்கிள் ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
ஜிங்கிள்லாம் இல்லைங்க, என்கிட்ட யூகேலேலி இல்ல.
Awesome. Thank you. That was really cool. Thank you, Arundan. Very nice. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we have bullet bike, gongura pickle, adult diaper, pani puri, love, underwear, puppy. Hold on, lungi is nice. Vishak, but hang in there. Corona curing legium. இது ரொம்ப ரிஸ்கான ஒரு மேட்ச், so we are not saying that. Stringless ukulele. That's Chriswin. That is pretty cool, buddy. Stringless ukulele, hairband, toothpaste. Someone said how to join. Hey, I'll tell you that. Calm down. Malupandi, I don't know what that means. Hold on. She is pro close up corner. Let us actually do smelly 1000 kilo lungi. 1000 kilo lungi for Vishak.
1000 kilo lungi.
Yeah, 1000 kilo lungi.
Okay. Good evening to the ladies, the gentlemen, the girls, the boys. How are you all? I hear your whispers. Must mean you're doing well. Okay. My name is Professor John Tangachan. I am a poor man. I come from a small town. By small town, I mean smaller than small. It is almost atomic level. But in this town, what we have more than anything is we have sayings. There are lots of sayings in my town, and my favorite saying from my town is, it does not matter what you're carrying. What matters is what you're packing. Which is why, to pack your package, I present to you the 1000 kilo lungi. The 1000 kilo lungi, why you ask is 1000 kilos, I will tell you why momentarily. But before that, the 1000 kilo lungi comes in 5 colors. There is white, off-white, silver, and for the naughty ones out there, polka dot. The 1000 kilo lungi comes with pockets inbuilt. But because it is a 1000 kilo lungi, it is a locker and not a pocket. With complete fingerprint recognition and LiDAR sensitivity, so as to prevent any LiDAR technology to prevent any unexpected breaches into the privacy of the area. A lot of problems that people wearing lungis face nowadays, we took according to the census of the young gentleman from our hometown called Hometown. And what most of these gentlemen had to say was that the main problem is that they go to bed wearing the lungi, they wake up with a blanket extra. This was the primary inspiration behind weighing down the lungi, you see. Now if you have to get out to the lungi, it is like opening a gate. There is 2-step coat, then there is optical retina scan, and of course the chastity belt as an option. I know there are you out there who are wondering, why would I possibly need a product such as this? I ask you, why not?
Vishak, so we understood a lot of special features of this. Sorry, Professor John, we understood that the lungi has a lot of special features. We want
Correct.
to understand, since the features equal that of the new iPhone, unreleased iPhone 13 Pro Max, dual,
Yes,
triple camera.
yes, yes,
I
yes.
want to understand how much is this going to cost us?
See, I do not want him to get into corporate politics, but Cook Chetan is an old friend of mine. He was from here, only my hometown. Only we studied together. We sat on the same bench. We have fond memories of Mr. Cook. But back then, he was not Mr. Cook. He was Mr. Chef. But as time went on, he changed his name. He assumed a new identity. And a lot of it changed. And one of those things I never expected him to do was to steal my technology. You know, the minimum thing you can do is to share the patent. Otherwise, it is not proper. But one thing that we have that the iPhone does not have is that we allow you to change your ringtone. We allow you to change your background wallpaper. These are all revolutionary products and features for the iPhone, but for us it is as old as yesterday's underwear. You know, so that's what I have to say about that.
Right. So cost is how much roughly?
See, cost, what we are thinking as an initial offering to the public is that we are offering it for a menial charge of 925 rupees only.
Very reasonable cost. Any discount coupons and codes under your name?
There are, in fact, it's glad you asked me this. We have launched a nationwide campaign. In many of the stores around the country, we have hidden certain gems inside the lungis in certain stores. So you have to put your hand inside like this and check if there are gems. And if you find the gems, not from the used product, but from the shelf product, then you can keep the gems. That is
that's the offer, special offer that's going on. Well done, thank you. That was really cool. Okay, I'll have a go at this. Vishak, can you look into something fun that you can give me? Let's see what we can find. Masa, look into something that's not too like
naughty. Guys, you also look okay because this thing is not working. Wait.
There's underarm cream. We got underarm cream. There's Tamil பேசுங்க நண்பா. கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் பேசுவோம், இங்கிலீஷும் பேசுவோம் நண்பா. தப்பா எடுத்துக்காதீங்க. ஏன்னா வந்து சில பேருக்கு வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் தான் தேவைப்படுது. எங்களுக்கு எது கம்ஃபர்ட்டா இருக்கோ அதை மாத்திட்டே இருப்போம். சில ஏன்னா இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ்லயே ஃபுல்லா பேசினா அப்புறம் இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுறவங்க காண்டாடுவாங்க. இங்கிலீஷே பேசினா நீ காண்டாடுவ. அதனால கொஞ்சம் மாத்தி பேசுவோம். Right? Let's keep going.
So there's underarm cream and there's biryani. So let's give you biryani flavored underarm cream.
Biryani flavored underarm cream. Right.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, my company is called Macro Biryani Caterers. What we are doing these days is we have decided to quit the whole underarm. I'm saying we are decided to quit the whole chef business. We are not doing any biryani. But we realized that the flavor of the biryani has seeped deep into the hearts of the Indian people. In fact, we found more market value abroad in China, in Japan, in many northeastern countries and the South Asian other type states and countries. We have found huge market for this biryani flavor. So we first invented something called biryani ice cream. Many people spitted outside that ice cream. So we said that's a failure. Then I asked my managing director, Mr. Kunjumon, what can we do, Mr. Kunjumon? How can we sell this biryani smell, this biryani flavor? Because it's having multitude of items. Some cloves, some cinnamon, many masalas are going in, some mutton, chicken, all these items together is creating this biryani flavor. So how do we infuse it into daily products? Like that I asked him. So he gave one idea. He said toothpaste. But then toothpaste became a failure because in the biryani they are putting many manjal podi items. When this man did a test run and did like this on the toothpaste and the tooth, that the teeth changed into yellow color, completely yellow. And then the progression was after 1 month usage, it became brown. So it became ultimate failure. I had 6 crores loss. So then I got foreign investors and my new managing director, I fired Kunjumon. I got a new one, Layla. She came up with a brilliant idea. She said, "Sir, why don't we just create a underarm cream?" I said, "Wow, mind blown! I never heard this idea in my life." I said, "You give me first. I try." So I lift my underarm. I put the cream. For the first time in my life, I felt spicy there. It was hot. It was not just the flavor, it was the feeling under that. It was just spicy. The heat was evolving constantly. I went to a cold country, right? I was living in an igloo in the Antarctica. I applied this underarm cream and I just felt heat. And everybody around me just got hungry. And they were like, "Oh my God, what is happening? What is that?" In cold countries, apparently, they don't eat much. So when I just lift my underarm, everybody got hungry. So I was also solving other bodily issues, right, with this cream. So it was so powerful. Then I decided, why not sell it in a hot country like India? Because there's also warmth here. How to manage that difficulty, I was thinking. But it seems that Indian people love the heat. As soon as they applied the underarm cream, they decided, no, I put it in my face, in my eyebrow, my mustache, everywhere. Because when Indian people smell the biryani, right, they feel like they just want to devour it. So it became like a weapon for young boys and girls to just apply it over themselves and become an edible item. So they were so able to see. Spit is coming from my mouth because I have applied it now and I am feeling edibleness. So I am just feeling like that. So that's the product, sir. That's what we have made with this brilliant biryani cream. Any questions anyone has? We have a discount coupon. It's called Underarm 234. If you put that, you will get 1% discount. Yes, yes, Aravindan.
டவுட், இது சீரக சம்பா ஃபிளேவர் வருமா இல்ல பாஸ்மதி ஃபிளேவர் அண்டர்ஆர்ம் கிரீமா? அது
நாங்க ரெண்டு ஃபிளேவர்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கோம் மிஸ்டர் அரவிந்தன். ஜீரக சம்பா புடிச்சவங்க அந்த ஃபிளேவர் போய் வாங்கிக்கலாம். பாஸ்மதி ரைஸ் மட்டும் புடிச்சவங்க வந்து அதுக்கு செப்பரேட், அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 5 rupees எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போட்டுருக்கோம். Because we have to take care of that amount. We have to take care. Basmati rice is expensive. Plus we are paying GST. Spit is coming. Yes. Any other questions? Yes, Mr.
Sir, see, when you buy biryani, you normally get salad and pickle and papadam and all, right? So are you guys planning a gift hamper kind of thing like that, wherein everything comes together?
In fact, we are having a new product lined up. It is called Raita shaving cream. Right. So what we are doing is, if you buy this biryani underarm cream, we are giving you one small sachet. It's a trial packet. So you can apply this raita. It creates an onion smell. It's very precious. And you can shave and it will give you a smooth shave. Electric shave it is. That's what we are doing. In fact, my managing director just told me, you don't need a blade if you are putting that raita cream. Don't need a blade. Just use your finger and you can take everything off. So, double dhamaka. Yes. Kavya, any questions you have about this product?
No question.
It's a great boss. So all of you must try this product. Thank you. Right now we are selling it for 14 rupees. But as we go on and the product demand is increasing because biryani flavor is not very readily available, price will be going up little by little. But for now, please rush to the stores and apply this cream. Thank you.
Oh God, that was super fun. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for that. I thought it was a great choice, Vishal. Thank you for that. Use spoon to shave, someone says. Do you have dal chop? Let's find something else. Okay, now do we change the game? I think we should change the game. I think we had a great time selling stuff, right? Okay, so to the audience, what we're going to do is a game that we really enjoy, and we actually think that you guys enjoy it because you sent us a lot of messages last time when we did this game, which is the alphabet game, right? So we're gonna start with A, and each sentence is going to start with the next alphabet, right? So Kavya, Vishak, Aravindan, that's the order. Kavya, Vishak, Aravindan, that's the order. And Kavya, you can start, but we need a word from the audience. We need a word from the audience, and the improv is going to be around that word. Okay, so let's see what we have. Someone said ultimate, good one, Kandipa trying. Parachute oil, that's good. Murungaka flavor la edu illaya for aphrodisiac purposes. Vaishu. We will tell you about this. Someone said, "Oi, Hindi mein baat karo." Arey, main Hindi bahut bura understand. Bloody. Ye ladki overacting karta hai. They don't see. Go somewhere else and watch method acting. Let's find Another cool game. Pani Puri, movie is all super. Mallu Pandi, perfect. Okay, Athiya, grape. 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 Um, grape.
Captain.
That's your word. Anyone can start. A is the first one.
KK, what's the order?
Kavya, Vishak, Arvindan.
Word grape. Grape.
Grape.
Vishak. Vishak?
Can we say that again? I got a call.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start again. Are you Vishak? Did you see my grape juice?
Boy, I have no idea.
சும்மா கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காது என்ன காவியா? அங்கதான் வச்சிருக்கீல டேபிள் மேலே. எப்பயுமே அங்கதானே வைப்ப. அங்க போய் பாரு.
They don't lie. I know you drank it. You always have this habit of drinking what we make.
Enough. Let's not point fingers. Let's try to get to an amicable solution, okay? When did you last see the grape, guys?
ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல சிப்ஸ் எடுக்க போனேன். அப்ப நான் பார்த்தேன். அங்கதான் இருந்துச்சு.
Great. So now you've had a chips also. Anga put one label, no, Kavya, Vishak. You can't read or what, Arvindan?
Hello, Kavya. Do we look like kindergarten children to you? What's all this business of labels and all that? Huh? It's a grape, okay? We will find it for you, all right? I last remember seeing the grape in that cat's mouth. Mr. Tommy, no, our cat.
I know. அந்த கேட்டை நீ தூக்கிட்டு வந்து நீ வைப்ப எல்லாம் உன்னோட எடுத்து அது சாப்பிடும் ஆனா வந்து எல்லாம் எங்க மேல பழி போடுவ போய் உங்க கேட் கிட்ட கேளு ஹலோ டாமி கிவ் மீ மை கிரேப்பி அப்படினு கேளு போயிட்டு
just don't cross the line, okay, Arvindan? This I can't take this. See, guys, we are all living together in this house. I'm not labeling it like we're kindergarten students. You keep taking my stuff. I have only so much stuff.
Kavya, relax. Now let me get to the point, okay? If that cat has had the grapes, it probably shat it out somewhere, right? So we just need to find that and we clean it up and we can have it again. What's wrong with you guys? Just go find it, no? Huh?
Luckily நம்ம அத சாப்பிடல அந்த கேட் சாப்பிட்டு என்ன ஆகுமோ நல்ல வேளை தப்பிட்டோம்.
My mom made that grape juice, you know. After so
No. Hey, no. Hey. Don't cry, Kavya. Don't cry. Daddy will find. I mean, I'll find it. No. Okay. Don't worry. Okay.
ஓ காவியா. ஓ அப்ப அது வந்து காவியா அம்மா பண்ணதா? தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா நானே சாப்பிட்டுருப்பேனே. சரி கேட்ட தேடி அது வாயில இருந்து வாங்கி சாப்பிடணும். அதானே இரு நான் தேடுறேன் கேட்ட போயிட்டு. கேட்டி, டாமி.
We're at P.
Arvindan has said P, right?
No, he said O.
Please, Arvindan, I think you think this is a joke. This is not a joke. My mom barely cooks, and this one time she made this grape juice, you guys had to finish it off. I'm sure the cat didn't drink it.
Qureshi auntie made the grape juice? When was that, Kavya?
Qureshi auntie.
குரேஷி ஆண்டி தான் பண்ணாங்க பட் ஆனா அவ ஏமாத்துறா குரேஷி ஆண்டி இல்ல
shut up Arvindan, shut up. Qureshi auntie is not my mother. She's my auntie.
That explains it. So your mother gave you the grape. You had it on the table. The cat stole it from there. It shat it out and Qureshi auntie took it and made the juice. Right?
இப்படி இல்லாம பண்ணுது அந்த கேட். அன்பிலீவபிள் ஸ்டோரி காவியா. என்ன ஏதா கதை எழுதுறியா?
டேய் அரவிந்தன் உன்னோட ஏபிசிடி எங்க தப்பாயிச்சு?
இல்ல
you.
Was he right? My bad. Sorry, my ABCD is actually pretty bad. Go on, you. ABCD FGHIJK LMNOPQRST. U T.
Very good, guys. This plan that you've been plotting against me. You think I don't know? that this is one drama both of you are doing?
We have no idea what you're talking about, Kavya. I mean, relax, no, we're friends. Arvindan?
X.
Express இல்ல. I don't want anything. Okay.
Express anything.
புரியுதா? நம்ம எதுவும் பண்ண வேணாம். சரி ஓகே நம்ம விளையாடலாம்னு சொல்லிடலாம் விஷால். போதும் போதும். அவ எவ்வளவு நேரம் தான் கிரேப் ஜூஸ் தேடிட்டு இருப்பா. வேணாம்.
You don't want to give me an explanation for this?
Sorry.
Well done. That was awesome. Vishak, someone sending you lots of love. Vampire sends you lots
Thank
of
you.
love.
Take some vampire love.
All right, so audience, what we're going to do now is we're going to quickly do a game that you saw last time. This is a very interesting game where you guys are going to give us 2 lines. Okay, give us 2 lines. It can be 2 unrelated sentences. It can be, I want to do push-ups and your hair is so beautiful, right? You can have those 2 separate lines. And what we're going to do is 2 actors can only say those 2 lines. And 1 actor who is stuck in between is trying to communicate. Okay? So give us some really mad, fun lines and let's take it from there. Give us 2 unrelated, really cool lines. I'm waiting to see what you guys got. Let's see. You guys can scroll as well if you guys find something really cool. ஒண்ணுமே புரியல கேம் someone said. மனுஷிகோ நண்பா இதை வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதனால கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் இருப்பேன்.
Add Mallu Pandey.
Mallu Pandey is our dancing guy, no? That's what
Yeah.
you're thinking about, yeah. Mallu Pandey will definitely get you in, but we want to finish off the improv and then we'll get you in at some point. Someone says, Che, you're handsome. Hey, thank you, guys. My name is Khan. Okay, that's great. So, Vishak, you get my name is Khan. Okay?
Okay.
And Lelu, Lelu, Alu, Lulu, you're a pig. Wow.
I think that's Lelu, Allu, Lelu. Allu.
Oh, that's the thing. Okay. My name is Khan and I love potatoes. That's your line, Vishak. My name is Khan. I love potatoes. And Arvindan, your line is I stayed late at night pregnant. Anand, our husband. Okay. No, sorry. Lovely lips. Black. No, okay.
May the
Hold on.
force be with you.
May the force be with you.
I love it. You know what? Vaishnavi, you're a genius. Arvindan, you're going to get May the Force be with you. And finally, Corona gone, it seems. Finally, Corona gone. No, we won't have that. I like the first one. What is the first one we gave him? May the Force be with you.
May the force be with you. Yeah.
Something else, guys. Give me something really cool. I'm waiting for something that's going to work. TikTok hater, Machi. Tanni போட்டு கூத்து அடிக்கலாமா? மச்சான் தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்து அடிக்கலாமா? Okay, மச்சான் தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்து அடிக்கலாமா? May the force be with you. That's your line. And Vishak, you got yours, right?
Yeah. My name is Khan and I love potatoes.
Okay, so Vishak and Arvindan can only say those 2 lines. And Kavya is going to improv in between. All right, guys, take it away. Make it super intense. Have fun.
I mean, I know we've not met in person, but your online bio and all look damn nice, huh? It was, what all you do, you were so adventurous also.
I love potatoes, you know.
Yeah, that too. I mean, yeah, I love potatoes too, actually. Similar, common. Also, your name, your bio said something. I mean, your Instagram handle said something else. We didn't exchange names or anything.
தண்ணி
My
போட்டு
name is Khan.
தண்ணி
Sorry, who's joined this date with us?
I love potatoes.
No, yeah, I know that, but there's somebody else at our table.
I love potatoes.
Okay,
தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்தடிக்கலாம் வரியா?
Vishak, you said you don't drink.
My name is Khan.
Which okay, I'm a little confused here. Vishak, do you drink or you don't?
Pause. Arundan, your audio is getting cut off. Just watch out for that and go.
Potatoes.
Yeah, we established that, Vishak. We established that
Freeze.
you like.
There's a twist in the plot. Kavya, you're a doctor, and Vishak is your patient, and Arundan is your nurse. Go.
Okay. Yeah, Vishak. So, tell me, you were facing chills in the evening, in the night before going to bed?
My name is Khan.
Okay, yeah, we've got that. Nurse, can you just write that down? He's giving his details.
You can't.
My name is Khan.
My name is Khan.
My name is Khan.
May the force be with you, Khan.
Yeah, yeah, we got that. We got the name, right? Okay. Nurse, did you get his height? And
Height.
BP and all the other vitals?
Very forceful height. May the force be with you.
Yeah. Oh, okay then.
I love potatoes.
Okay,
Love
so that's the.
potatoes.
Okay, so
Potatoes.
that's what. Yes, got it. That's what caused the gastric problem.
Potatoes.
Oh, may the force be with you. Gastric force.
Yeah, no. A nurse. Let's get this straight, okay? He has a. Can you just please check his temperature, because I feel like he has a fever.
My name is Khan. My name is Khan.
No, we got that, Siri. We got that your name is Khan. We got that.
கூத்தடிக்கலாமா தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்தடிக்கலாமா தண்ணி போட்டு
No.
வெயின் தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்தடிக்கலாமா full of தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்தடி
I'm changing the situation. So we got to make sure that the line, my name is Khan, and the potato line means exactly that. There's no subtext there. And Kavya, I'm going to give you a new situation. You are in a bus stand and you meet a very handsome guy, which is Vishak. And Aravindan, you're one roadside Romeo chilling in the bus stand also. And all three of you meet at the bus stand. Go.
I love potatoes.
I love potatoes.
I love
too.
potatoes.
Yeah, me too. Where are you
My name
going?
is Khan.
My name is Rupa. Nice to meet you.
ஹலோ தண்ணி போட்டு கூத்தடிக்கலாமா
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm with Mr. Khan.
you Khan. Oh.
So,
I love.
Mr. Khan, so we were on the topic of potatoes.
Cheers.
How do you moving on? How do
I
you
love
like them?
potatoes.
Yeah, I know. How do you like them? Fried, French fries, patty, cutlets?
Potato.
30 seconds to end.
Potato. போட்டு கூத்தடிக்க potato.
Hey. My name is Khan. I love potato. I love potato.
Oh.
May the force be with
Oh.
And time. Well done. Okay, so we're going to have the last round coming in today. So what's going to happen is we're going to go to our first game, which is a really fun game. You guys have to just give us some really fun, unique words that you can think of. Okay, just words, one word, really fun word. Each one is going to get that word, and they're going to do an improv and create a story out of that word. So audience, take it away. We're waiting for you to give us one word. எல்லாருமே வந்து ஒரே ஒரு வார்த்தை கொடுங்க, different words. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு கதையை அவங்க கிரியேட் பண்ண போறாங்க. So ஒரு வார்த்தையை கொடுங்க. Hi Abhirami, hi to everybody who said hi to us. Where's Ananya? Nanba, Ananya is coming in next week. Let's see, maybe
Ananya's fans.
Fan club.
Bacardi.
Fan club.
We got Bacardi. Bacardi is great. So, Kavya, you get Bacardi. And Aravindan, you get astronaut. And Vishak, you get cheeseburgers. No, Vishak, you get Dracula. Dracula. Okay, so Kavya, you're starting. And go.
Sorry, we're all building a story together, right?
That's right.
All right. Guys, I just want to tell you that I've been having a really, really bad day.
Hey, I give you your word. Astronaut.
Yeah.
Aravindan is astronaut. All right, and go. Super high energy. Let's rock it. Go.
Yeah. I've been having a really bad day, guys, and I didn't get the business deal. I didn't get my promotion. None of that happened, and I just want to drink my sorrows away. Possible? Did you guys?
Well, if you want to drink, you want some Bacardi?
Bacardi is what I want.
You want some Bacardi? Well, I don't know about Bacardi, but I got something to mix with the Bacardi, which is baby blood. I got it from this friend of mine. His name is Dracula. You know, I knew you were kind of low today, and I asked him for like a pick me up, and he's like, "There's nothing better than baby blood with some Bacardi, of course."
You always know how to put a smile on my face, Vishak.
I can put a lot more on you. Yes, I know.
Oh.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro?
Hi. So, Dracula பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. அந்த மூன் பக்கத்துல ஒரு
அரவிந்தன் கேக்கல.
So நீங்க ஏதோ டிராகுலா பத்தி தான் பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. ஐ அம் வெரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் இன் தட் பிகாஸ் பேசிக்கலி ஐ அம் ஆஸ்ட்ரோனட். சோ நான் ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு போய் மூன் பக்கத்துல டிராகுலா வீடு இருக்கா அப்படினா நான் ரொம்ப தேடி. சோ நீங்க மீட் பண்ண டிராகுலா நேம் என்ன?
No, it's not on the moon, bro. It's in Moongambakkam. It's actually, it's a short form is moon. I think you got like concerned. I mean, confused, you know. But Dracula is here only. We'll go together one day. I mean, he'll be very happy to know you're from the moon and all. He's a big fan of the moon. He looks at it every night and then he turns into a bat and shit. But I also heard, Kavu, that you know, full moon nights there are werewolves coming out every night now, right?
Okay.
So I would actually be thankful that you didn't get your promotion because you know you'd get eaten by a werewolf otherwise.
Oh, what's the relation between the two?
Between your job and werewolves?
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. I'm just saying, make you feel better.
Yeah, that's true. You know, the other thing I really love about you, Vishak, is this concern that you have for me.
I'm concerned.
This love that you have for me. You know, I know we've just been friends, but this you shower so much of love, and there must be something more than just friendship there, no?
Freeze, because Vishak, without you knowing, you're turning into a vampire, and you have this urge to consume someone's blood. Go.
Sorry to disturb again. So, ஏதோ உல்ஃப் பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. உல்ஃப் ஆஃப் தி வால் ஸ்ட்ரீட்டா இல்ல அந்த படம் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். நீங்க அத பத்தி ஏதாவது பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்களா? சாரி, ஏதோ டேட்ல இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பட் ஐ அம் வெரி கியூரியஸ் டு நோ. ஆச்சு ரைட்டிங்க?
Sorry, bro. Sorry. Something happened. What did you say, bro?
உல்ஃப் பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. இந்த உல்ஃப் ஆஃப் தி வால் ஸ்ட்ரீட்டா எனக்கு அந்த படம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். நான் நீங்க ஏதோ டேட்ல இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பட் சாரி, கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா குஷ்டேன். அடிக்கடி நடுவுல வரேன்.
30 seconds to end.
You look so hot. Aravindan got the promotion.
Fucking have wings. Run!
And time. Well done.
So stupid. I love it.
All right, guys. So, Kavya, Vishak, Aravindan, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for putting your talents in here and having fun. To the audience, we are not prepared for this. We're also having fun with you guys. And thank you so much for putting in all of your comments and joining us. I love that, you know, we can connect with each other, the audience and us, and we can have a great time, come together as a community and have fun. Jennifer, absolutely. This is such a stress relief for you as much as it is for us as well. We love linking up with you guys and having a great time online. And Vishak,
JK, did you say something? Sorry.
Please. Yeah. I was saying,
okay.
Talk to the audience, say absolutely anything you want.
Right. Guys, this is our third show, I think. I mean, no, this is our fifth show overall, right? And I think this is really cool that, you know, every show we do, there are close to 450 people turning up at any given point in time, which is you know, saying quite a lot. Thank you guys so much. And we really hope that you guys, you know, tell your friends and also join us next week for another round.
Yeah, absolutely. And oh, Vaishnavi says felt like a walk back to Cheriana. For those of you who don't know, Cheriana is our beloved rehearsal space. Angadhan naanga daily rehearsal pannuvom. And there was a time when the lockdown wasn't there. All of the actors used to be there every evening, and we have the greatest time. And you just don't know when we start improvising together how time just flies. Before we know it, we've spent like 4-5 hours just working, and it's always an amazing time. We hope this lockdown ends soon and this whole corona situation ends soon, and we can all get back to normalcy. Kavya, please take it away.
No, just thank you so much for coming out in, I mean, 400 people would be the usual strength at Museum Theatre when we perform, right? So this feels like that. So thank you so much for supporting us and coming out here with all your comments and all the suggestions and all the love. So
Lovely.
yeah, that's about it.
Thank you. Someone said, "Na mental illappa, manusana maaritta." Go for it, Arvind, and please tell the audience your thoughts.
ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வீட்டுல டெய்லி ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கோ, சேம் அதே தான் நாங்களும் ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பிகாஸ் இந்த மாதிரி உட்காந்துட்டு இல்லை நிறைய வெளில போயிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறது தான் எங்களோட பண்ண முடியாது. இப்போ இங்க வந்து ஷோ பண்ற போது இப்போ நிறையாவே ஒரு ஷோ கம்பேர் ஆகிற அந்த ஃபீல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு வருது. ஒரு மாதிரி ஃபீலே ஒரு மாதிரி ஜாலியா இருக்கும். இந்த ஒரு 7 o'clock 30க்கு முன்னாடி அங்க எப்படி அந்த ஆர்ட் நிறைய ஸ்டாப் தட்டி இல்ல நல்லா சவுண்ட் கொடுத்து நல்லா எங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுவாங்களோ, சேம் அதே ஃபீல் எங்களால நீங்க இந்த கமெண்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு சேம் அப்படியே
உங்களுக்கு அவங்க வாய்ஸ் கேக்குது உனக்கு, அதானே சொல்ல வர?
ஆமா, அதான்.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Arvindan. And a big shout out to all of you audience for joining us. Stay safe, stay home, and ellarukkum nandri, and we love you guys very, very much. Thanks, guys. Ciao.
Bye. Sorry.
Bye. Thanks.
See ya.